Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest, in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch for video editing, the 2025 model with the Apple M1 Max chip, an incredible 64GB of RAM, and a whopping 2TB of SSD storage. Let's find out why this machine is still a powerhouse and an excellent value even today. First, let's talk about performance. The M1 Max chip is a beast, especially for professionals who work in high-intensity creative fields like video editing, motion graphics, and 3D rendering. With its 10-core CPU and 32-core GPU, the M1 Max doesn't just handle heavy editing software, it thrives on it. Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, all of them run buttery smooth, even when dealing with 8K footage, color grading, and multi-layered timelines. The 64GB of unified memory allows for seamless multitasking, whether you're rendering, exporting, or switching between apps like After Effects and Lightroom. Now let's talk storage. 2TB of lightning-fast SSD gives you both speed and space. No need to juggle external drives just to make room for another project. You'll enjoy instant file transfers, quick app launches, and minimal wait times during export sessions. For editors dealing with large media libraries and complex project files, this isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is another standout. It offers insane levels of brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. This is mini LED at its best, with 1000 nits sustained brightness and support for HDR content. It's a dream screen for any visual artist. Every detail pops, every color is punchy yet true to life, and whether you're scrubbing through a timeline or color grading frame by frame, the experience is simply unmatched in its class. Despite being a compact 14-inch model, this MacBook Pro is loaded with ports. You get 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, and MagSafe 3 for fast charging. That means no more living the dongle life, and faster workflows. Just plug in your camera card or connect to an external monitor and go. This particular model is a renewed unit, which means it's been professionally inspected and tested by Amazon qualified suppliers. It's not Apple certified, but it's guaranteed to be fully functional, with at least 80% battery life relative to new. You also get a 90-day replacement or refund guarantee, giving you a risk-free way to own a seriously high-end MacBook without the brand new price tag. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. At the time of recording, this exact 64GB RAM, 2TB SSD configuration is currently marked as unavailable on Amazon. So if you come across it in stock, don't think twice. It's rare, and it's in high demand. However, Amazon does offer multiple configurations like 32GB RAM with 1TB or 512GB SSD, if you're looking for something slightly more affordable. But for the best of the best in mobile editing power, the 64GB, 2TB combo is the one to beat. If you're an independent filmmaker, a professional video editor, or a YouTuber with demanding workflow needs, this MacBook Pro gives you desktop-class performance in a compact, portable form factor. You can edit anywhere, in a cafe, on a plane, or on set, without sacrificing speed or stability. To wrap it up, the 2021 MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M1 Max, 64GB RAM, and 2TB SSD is still a dream machine for video editors in 2025. Its processing power, memory, and display quality are simply outstanding. And even though it's a few years old, it can easily keep up with, and in some cases outperform, newer laptops, especially when paired with pro-grade software optimized for the Apple Silicon architecture. If you're lucky enough to find it in stock, and you're serious about your craft, grab it. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into premium tech gear. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.